Hey guys, Jim Stargazer here, making this quick little video for you guys. I just came from the audio show on day 2, and they had a sale for the Bowers & Wilkins PX8 headphones. So it was 20% off, so I just went and got them. So I thought I'd make this little unboxing video. So I'm going to just do a little quick unboxing to show you what it looks like for you guys. Seen other people doing videos like this, so I thought I'd make one too. So yeah, give me a second while I set up the camera. Alright guys, so I just put the camera on a little table here. So I got these Bowers & Wilkins PX8 headphones, 20% off. So you actually have the code still. They said that you could get the sale if you give them the code from the audio show, which is kind of cool. So actually everything from Bowers & Wilkins was 20% off from the audio show. So yeah, so this is the PX8 garbage. I'm gonna throw this away. How does this open up? Just like that. Yeah, can you guys see? Yep. Okay. Come with a little carrying case. Come with this little carrying case. Just unzip it. Just making sure you guys can see. And voila, here are the headphones. Bowers & Wilkins brand new PX8s. So they should have. Oh, let's be in the box still. Let's see. They're supposed to come with wire. They're supposed to come with a wire, so that way you can still connect it to your no, it doesn't. It's supposed to come with a wire so you can connect it to the 3mm, but it doesn't come with it. Oh, great. See? Always read the fine print. So yeah, so it doesn't come with the wire, guys, through the 3.5mm head jack. So if you want to use it on a plane, you have to purchase it separately, it looks like. So yeah, so they're pretty nice. It's real leather, aluminum. It's got carbon fiber drivers. I had demoed them in the audio show, and they're really good. There's a Focal has a $5,000 beryllium headphones, and the difference is slightly noticeable, but it's not worth $5,000 to me. The difference from these, I mean, it is better. You can hear it, but not $5,000 difference considering these versus $600 with tax. So yeah, looks like it didn't come with the wire. Okay, he said it did, but looks like it's gonna be a second. Yep, it's gonna be a separate accessory. So okay guys, yeah, I just thought I'd do this quick unboxing video for you. I see so many people do unboxing videos, so I just wanted to show you guys the new Bowers & Wilkins PX8s. So alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to look at the other videos I got. I'm gonna put the links up for the audio show that I just went to. Alright guys, thank you. Hey guys, I just want to make this quick update for this video. I got home, I opened up the box for the Bowers & Wilkins. I found the 3.5mm jack, the converter, the wire. It was inside of the carrying case, right in the center, a little magnetic little center. So yeah, so I could show you guys real quick. I just had it over here. I think it's right here. I could just show you guys real quick. So just so I don't bash Bowers & Wilkins, it's there. So hang on one second. It's right here in the middle. There is a middle magnetic hiding spot, and there are the cables. So Bowers did send the 3.5mm converter so you can connect it to the airplane. I'm gonna go ahead and put that code in the description for the Axpona. They're giving 20% off of all of the Bowers & Wilkins product for the headphones. I mean, this is good for a few more days. It's the 20th. It says it expired, so I'll go ahead and put that in the subscription. So if you watch this video to the end, you'll see that you'll know what that code is for. So all right guys, thanks for watching the video.